Okay, last time with the habitat being in my room when we're recording it, it's going to be moved to the extra bedroom in the basement. So, yeah, it's going to be rearranged different, I'm sure, too. No, I do not have any new batteries yet. These are all ones that still have battery juice left in them. Oh, I already turned the black and green on. Pretty one. It'll get through. Not that heavy. This one's the one that's getting dead. The pretty one, too. That's the pretty one. Oh, again? They're not leaving. He's scared of every single thing that moves. Anything. Any noise, anything. And there's Skittles sitting on the bed. My cats don't really play with these, which is kind of sad. Not even really Waffle. Waffle? Oh, this is a sand dial. I like sand dials. Oh my god, all these stores are closed. Yeah, that's from these.
You got braces.
That's from these.
Oh, you don't like braces? Okay. Okay, you can go.
Oh, the door.
Another door's not closed. Okay, who opened all these doors?
I have no idea. Sometimes the animals open them themselves, and sometimes they close them themselves, but I think Lucas might have accidentally opened them. No, I think they just randomly open.
That's funny.
He sometimes randomly open.
It's a washing place, right?
Yeah, it's a car wash. This one's down there. Oh, pink. Mom, go go places. Oh, these are in the way, these hands. Watch how long it's going to be till it gets to the other side. And yet, it still has to go through here and get all the way over there. That's a far way to go. Oh, really? This one's got to go over here. Put that up there. Oh my God, more doors that are closed. Now closing doors. They all need to stay open, except for the side ones, where they can fall out. Ah, they're fighting. I think I need to make a second part.